Yo! Oh my god! I was trolling and I thought I was you for that shit. I did like a 360. Yo, I was trolling, bro.